Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I did a video almost exactly like this, but I used a logo that somebody sent me and they'd asked for me to remove it. So sometimes when you're drawing a drawing and you're moving nodes, you get a white background and it can really cause problems when you're trying to manipulate things. It's really difficult. Well, what that is, it's the person who drew it just kind of filled in with that yellow box. So if we take that yellow box and delete it, and if we take that box and instead of smart filling it, just fill it in with yellow. Now when we grab, so it's actually behind there and not everywhere about. Now when we do it, you don't get that white background and you can move your nodes around without worrying about having that double image or that hidden line. So if you ever get a drawing and if you can just remove all the background and fill it in and then just put it to the back of the page, which I've already done, order front of page, and you can see it's in front of it now. So if you just go to object, order back of page, then your item's on top of that, and you can do whatever you want to with it with the nodes, and it's not going to create a problem. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.